Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. They call me coach around here. If you call in, have questions about this coach that I'm going to show you today or any other coach, just ask for the coach when you call. 208-250-8625 is my direct number. Please give me a call anytime. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2014 Bay Star 2903. One owner. Took a great deal of pride in this coach. It's really nice. Let's go inside, take a look. Going to start back here in the bedroom. Really nice to have this big window in the back. Really opens it up, gives it a lot of natural light. Two windows on both sides for when you're sleeping. Closets over here, 6 drawers underneath. Large closet here, deep, long hanging. If you have long things that you hang on a hanger. Right here. This coat, you'll notice every one of these cabinets here in this area, they have put a liner in, you know, just part of the pride they took in this coach. Really nice to have that already done. You've got your dinette here. Here's our bathroom, big rounded shower. Now, a lot of nice features in a 29-foot coach. This is a Newmar. This is a great coach. 6-inch ceiling, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows, 4-inch floor. Just a really well-built coach, built in Napanee, Indiana by the Mennonites and the Amish. They take a great deal of pride in everything they do. Top bottom refrigerator. Storage up above. A microwave, 3-burner stove, and an oven in this coach. Stainless steel sink. More storage here. Big storage compartment down below. Here's our couch. So it turns into a bed. As we move into the cockpit area, auto leveling, cruise control, electric mirrors, heated mirrors. It looks like an upgraded Jensen stereo system in this coach. TV up front. Okay, control up in here. Definitely looks like this coach was stored inside. I mean, it looks beautiful out here. You've got your storage bays out here. There's a tank there, but you have storage on the left side over here. Little storage compartment here. As we move down the coach, more storage with lights plug in over here, cable hookup. You wanted to add a TV, it's got electric awning. Generator, 4,000 awning. Gas generator. Big storage compartment goes across to the other side. Coming around the back. You got your tow hookups back here. Your receiver, ladder on the back, backup camera. Got our electrical right here. Plug in 30 amp coach. More storage there. Fuel tank there, fuel fill. Here you go, city water connections. Sensors on the outside of the tanks so you get true reading. There's your clean out bay, hook your sewer hose to that. Storage. Propane tank. Look at the size of that propane tank. If you want to be gone for a while, you can. Moving around the back of the coach. If you got any questions on this 2014 Bay Star by Newmar 2903, please give the coach a call, 208-250-8625. Have a great day. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.